Hmm. So yeah, we mostly expedite processes and handle large amounts of data, right? And if you say, okay, where's the part that you still fully rely on humans? You say, I need a person here.
Yeah, I mean, it's still really important. It's vital for humans to be in the loop on most, if not all, most localization projects. There are some exceptions to that with huge amounts of data that just is okay to be processed with raw machine translation. But for the majority of localization projects, it's still vital for a human to be part of that process. We use AI tools for various aspects at different parts of the production, including AI voiceover, AI translations used as the first pass to then be edited by humans. That's part of the standard workflow nowadays. And is also embedded in most of our tools, but we rely on humans for the cultural nuance, keeping translations in the brand voice of clients. That has become one of the biggest asks in probably the last year, is that we we have clients who do not want a generic AI voice. So even though it's part of the process, they want a human to fine tune, speak their language, hear their voice that may be very different from company to company, or how they're speaking to their employees, how they're speaking to their customers. And that is really important for a human to be a part of, um, as well as managing projects, because as we use AI in more parts of the process, it becomes more complex. There are more opportunities for breakdowns, and there needs to be a human in the loop, a very good, very experienced project manager to analyze those risks, use AI where it makes sense, inform and educate clients, work with them on what that looks like for their particular situations, and then put it into practice.